Our today's video is dedicated to thread lifts. What is this procedure and why it is becoming increasingly popular? Now previously when we talked about anti-aging procedures, we used to talk about procedures like Botox and fillers. So filler was basically a hyaluronic acid material which was injected into specific fat bands which lift the skin and which made you appear younger and more youthful. Whereas Botox is an injection which was given to relax the over-contracting muscles. Now to add to this, we now have thread lifts. Now thread lifts was something which was introduced 15-20 years back. It has had a course with introduction of mono, screw, cork threads, and now they are double needle threads. So there has been a huge advancement in the way the threads were designed, in the quality of the product which was there, the stability, the sterility of the products, and what was the end result. Now what exactly is a thread lift? Thread lifts are suture materials. Some suture materials are basically those materials which are used to stitch, give stitches whenever you want to bring two tissues together. So in thread lifts, what is done is there are suture materials which are used for lifting purposes. Now as we sag, we all see that our face turns more meatily. There is development of folds like the nasolabial fold, the marionette line. All of these folds are attached to the anchoring points which are, there is a lot of fibrous tissue in the lateral part of the face. So what is done in the thread lift is we introduce threads in specific manners depending on what exact is the component of aging in a patient, whether the patient has a prominent nasolabial fold, a marionette line, a pre-jowl area. So depending on which area we want to target, we have different vectors or different placements for threads. Now what is done is these threads have barbed, which is like an anchoring point which is there which gets incorporated in the fibrous tissue. Now what happens with the barbing is that the thread stays in that tissue and it lifts the tissue. So what we get is a good pulling effect. Now what are the advantages of thread lift? First and foremost, a good lifting is there. Second, it's not so painless as you think about it. If we are generally doing all these procedures under local anesthesia and besides few pricks, you will not feel anything. The results are good and they stay for a good amount of time. It is something which is an add-on to fillers because previously we were doing only lifting with fillers. Now what happened is someone who had an advanced or a moderate sagging, the total quantity of filler requirement will be more and you might feel your face looking bulkier. And as Asians, we already have a bulky face. So what we are aiming is to make you look slimmer. So when you combine these techniques which include thread lifts, Botox and fillers, you can achieve a more sharper, a more slimmer face. More slimming can be achieved.